When I was 19, I was in a tragic car accident that left me paralyzed from the chest down. It was just so difficult on so many levels. Everyone looks at me differently, like they felt sorry for me. Like, I don't want people to look at me like that. My name is Tamara, and I'm a bilingual motivational speaker. I started modeling before my accident, but when I became paralyzed, I felt like I didn't belong because I didn't see myself represented in any way. Had I known of models with disabilities, I would have been like, yeah, maybe I can do that too. After I started to believe in myself and seeing the photos and seeing that I could still be beautiful in a wheelchair, that made me want to represent more. So that's why I'm so glad Sephora is wanting to show the amazing diversity. I've been going to Sephora for years. I love wearing makeup. It just makes me feel more confident. It empowers me. There's many things I'm not able to do anymore because of my disability. Makeup just means so much because whatever limitations I have, I can still do it, and it was an outlet for me. I loved it before my accident, and I love it now even more. Women who are disabled also want to feel beautiful and want to look their best. So it's really important for brands to know that we are consumers and we deserve to be represented. People with disabilities are the most underrepresented in all areas of life. And that's why we have to keep raising our voices and we have to keep sharing our stories, because we need to change the way people see disability. Just because I'm disabled doesn't mean I'm not able. I can do everything that everyone does, just in a different way. My life is far from perfect, and I've thought about giving up. But then I think about, if I was younger, my younger self, what I would have liked. For so long, I did not know any Latina with a disability. So I've tried to get out there to be the representation for other young girls that I wish I had. I created the Embrace You project to encourage women to accept themselves no matter what you've gone through, especially if you've gone through a disability. Just because you have a disability doesn't mean you're not as powerful, as beautiful, and as worthy. You are stronger than you think, much stronger than you think.